'Cause baby, like, ooh,
It's been a while.
it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like,
Hi guys! Good morning! It's been a while. By the time na mapanood nyo tong video na to, 2 weeks na ako walang upload. Welcome back to me! Today is Friday, May 24. Ito ako sa pantry ngayon kasi kumakain na ako ng breakfast ko. Ano siya? Hamonadong longganisa. Favorite ko to from Frabel. Sarap to guys. Ito yung view ko ngayon. Ito ko sa inyo. There. So, tapos na ako mag-breakfast. And then, balik na ako sa workstation ko para mag-curl naman tayo ng buhok. Let's go. Yan. So, tapos na ako magkulot. Then, time check, it's 6:32 in the morning. So, may 1 hour pa ako. Lang. And, magsa-set up na ako ng table ko kasi as of now, medyo disaster siya kasi ang kalat. So, bye! It's 2:41. So, 2 more hours. Dapat. Sus!
Bea, kita kali ka. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi! Welcome to Bea's house.
Tingin mo, Stika.
Hey, stay ah.
Steak.
Very good, very good.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds. Oh,
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's
Say hi to the vlog.
Tingin mo sticker.
Hi, vlog.
Mga vloggers.
안 불편해 여기 괜찮아 신축이라 여기다 풀옵션이고
Wala kang choice na yun. 2 weeks na lang.
Treadmill naman ako. 13 minutes.
Hi! Kata ko yan. Hi, napagsa. Picture. It's raining, guys. So, nakasakay na ako ngayon. Pero mukha lang akong basang sisiw. Pero yeah.
Guys, good morning. Manda na yung aircon. It's 6 o'clock. And medyo inagahan kasi namin ni JP. Medyo unpredictable yung weather. So, baka maabutan kami ng ulan kung 6 kami umalis ng bahay. That's it. Medyo masama yung pakiramdam ko. Simula kahapon. Pero uminom na ako ng gamot. Kanina, madaling araw. Breakfast ako. Then take ulit ako ng gamot. Kasi hindi ako pwede magkasakit. Dahil meron kami pupuntahang All-Star Games this coming Sunday. Kasama yung friends ni JP. Balita ko, sold out na yon. So sayang naman kung di ako pupunta. Tsaka sayang din yung ticket. Breakfast ko today is tosilog. Rice muna ako ngayon. Di muna ako nag-overnight oats kasi feeling ko kailangan ko ng lakas. So, kailangan ko ng rice. And
hot coffee. Anyway, let's eat.